The Leatherman Wave Plus isn't just a multi-tool. It's a can-do companion for everything life throws your way. For over 40 years, Leatherman has been building a reputation for reliable, versatile tools, and the Wave Plus is a testament to that legacy. From everyday household fixes to tackling DIY projects around the house or unexpected repairs while you're exploring the outdoors, the Wave Plus has the tools you need to get the job done. Don't let its size fool you. The Wave Plus packs a serious punch, offering 18 essential tools in a compact, lightweight package. Weighing just 8.5 ounces, it disappears into your pocket, ready to be sprung into action at a moment's notice. Unlock your inner handyman with the Wave Plus. This multi-tool boasts an impressive array of tools specifically chosen for DIY projects. The integrated saw allows you to tackle small cutting tasks, while the spring-action scissors make quick work of materials like paper, cardboard, or even light wiring. A built-in ruler ensures precise measurements for all your projects. The Gerber center drive isn't about bells and whistles. It's about getting the job done efficiently and effectively. This American-made multi-tool is a workhorse, offering a carefully curated selection of 14 essential tools designed for everyday tasks. The Gerber center drive boasts an innovative center axis driver that aligns like a real screwdriver for maximum torque and rotation, eliminating the need for awkward angles. It comes equipped with a comprehensive 12-piece standard bit set, ensuring you have the right bit for any screw or bolt. The center drive also features a substantial 3.25-inch full-size outboard blade for various cutting tasks, spring-loaded scissors for effortless one-handed cutting, and 14 locking tools for safety and stability. All this functionality is packed into a compact design with a black sheath for comfortable everyday carry. And the tumble-finish tools offer a rugged yet stylish look that complements your EDC aesthetic. The Leatherman Bond transcends the realm of a simple multi-tool. It's a pocket-sized portal to a world of possibility. Drawing inspiration from the iconic PST, the Leatherman Bond is a modern take on essential tools, perfect for first-time multi-tool users. This lightweight powerhouse, 5.8 ounces, disappears into your pocket, offering a carefully curated selection of 14 tools for everyday tasks, including sturdy pliers, a durable knife blade, and screwdrivers. The contoured handles ensure a comfortable grip for confident use, and the stainless steel construction guarantees its built-to-last quality. For seasoned multi-tool users, the Bond serves as a fantastic backup option with its compact size and essential features. The Leatherman Bond is more than just a collection of tools. It's a gateway to a world of convenience and preparedness. With its lightweight design, essential features, comfortable grip, and durable construction, the Bond is the perfect multi-tool for anyone who wants to be ready for anything, anywhere. Don't let its unassuming size fool you. The Gerber suspension is a field-tested champion, a multi-tool that punches well above its weight in terms of functionality and durability. This pocket-sized powerhouse has earned its reputation as the benchmark tool of convenience and durability for a reason. A classic design trusted for years, the Gerber suspension prioritizes convenience with its easy-to-access butterfly design and spring-loaded pliers. This lightweight champion, only 6.7 ounces, disappears into your pocket, yet boasts 15 tools including pliers, wire cutters, scissors, a ruler, a file, and a wire stripper, making it a versatile companion for everyday tasks. Built to last with high-quality materials and a simple, reliable design, the suspension is proof that sometimes simple is best. The Gerber suspension may not be the most feature-rich multi-tool on the market, but it excels in its core purpose, providing a reliable and convenient set of tools for everyday tasks. Forgo the bulk and embrace the brilliance of the Leatherman Skeletool. This multi-tool isn't your average pocket-sized powerhouse. It's a champion of lightweight design and streamlined functionality, meticulously crafted for those who appreciate minimalism without sacrificing utility. The Leatherman Skeletool is a minimalist masterpiece, boasting an ultra-lightweight design, 5 ounces, that disappears in your pocket or clips to your backpack. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel for durability, it features essential tools like needle nose and regular pliers for gripping and manipulation, dedicated wire cutters for electrical tasks, a large bit driver for various screw types, with the removable pocket clip doubling as a bit holder, and a carabiner bottle opener for everyday convenience. With its clean aesthetics and open frame design, showcasing precision engineering, the Skeletool is more than just a tool. It's a symbol of preparedness and resourcefulness in a stylish, minimalist package. The Leatherman Skeletool is the perfect choice for those who value portability, functionality, and a touch of style. Forget your average multi-tool. The Gerber Diesel is a different beast altogether. It's a task-crushing behemoth, designed for those who conquer challenges head-on and refuse to compromise on quality. The Diesel is a no-nonsense workhorse, built to tackle the toughest jobs. Its oversized, heavy-duty stainless steel components handle demanding tasks like thick wires, stubborn objects, and tough materials with ease. The one-handed deployment allows for quick and easy access to its features, while the signature SAFTA T+ locking system ensures secure and stable operation during use. This comprehensive toolset, featuring needle-nose pliers, wire cutters, a partially serrated knife blade, and a cross-point screwdriver, eliminates the need for a whole toolbox, making the Diesel the ultimate one-tool solution for those who value efficiency and preparedness. There you have it. 6 of the best multi-tools from Leatherman and Gerber. Leatherman generally offers a wider variety of tools and replaceable blades, while Gerber might have a slight edge in affordability and some ultra-compact options. So the best one for you depends on your specific needs. Let us know in the comments below which multi-tool you carry and why. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more gear showdowns.